Wondering how the pro traders trade? I've been like that before, searching the YouTube video, looking for videos that how do these pro traders, how do they trade, how do they make profits consistently? And after a long time personal study, reading books and staying on the chart, I was able to understand the strategies in which the pro traders use to become what profitable and consistent in the forex market. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Akiwole Victor, aka VstreakFx. So in this video, I'll be teaching you the exact strategy that these pro traders you see out there, what they use to become what a profitable trader and how they stay consistent in the forex market. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be teaching you 5 strategies that pro traders use in order to make millions in the forex market. So let's get started. So the first thing is you need to treat trading like a business. They treat what? Trading like a business. They treat trading like a business. In order to achieve success in this forex market, you need to treat trading like a business. This is one of the major strategy they use, because they know that they are not doing any other thing. So if they are managing anybody's funds, what do? They manage it like as if somebody is investing in their business, in their physical business. While where most of us get it wrong is that what we don't treat trading like a business. Some of us get, let's say we fund our account with $1,000 and the next thing we are doing to it is we are gambling with it. Imagine now, so an investor coming to give you $1 million to trade, and immediately I give you the $1 million, you are risking 30 or 40% of the account. That is total nonsense. Sorry to say, total nonsense. That's treating like a gambling, because you have to understand that you have to give your trading strategy what we call sample space, which is 1 to 10 trades. You must be able to be risking something consistently for at least 10 times, so the odds of success can be able to come out. Some traders even tell you that you need to give your trade a 20 sample space, that your stop, because you need to give your, even in the next 10, some people claim that in the next 10 trades you can really determine your win rate, that is in the next 20 trades. I think one of the data is from Mark Douglas that you need to have 20 trades really validate your strategy. So you need to what? You need to treat trading like a business. How does business works? You need to go and learn how do people really manage their business. I was watching one video one time and they were talking about, and the man was talking about before he got into trading, when he met his mentor said he should go and learn how to manage money first. You should go and learn how to manage money first, and after that then you should come into trading. And that guy said when he went to learn how to manage and read books on money management, he was able to achieve success faster in trading, because a lot of newbies find it very hard to manage capital. So you need one of the major strategies which they use is they treat trading like a business. So what really separates the pro traders from beginners traders, how they don't treat it like a business? One is over trading. You won't see a pro trader over trading. You will never see it. Their risk on their thing must be calculated. You never see them. It's just like a business. You will not buy a goods that your customers are not asking. You never see them over trade. You never see them over leverage. You never see them not predefining their risks before taking any trade. So you need to learn confidence in your trading also. Apart from not what differentiates them again is, apart from which is not over risking, over leveraging, is confidence. A pro trader has confidence in his edge. At any time, whether coming from a losing streak or a winning streak, is always having that confidence to execute his trade. So that separates you guys. That separates pros from beginners traders. So the second strategy the pro traders use over the beginners traders is they know the right pair to trade. They know the right market to trade. Some of us does not know the volatility. We don't even have the data concerning the pair we are trading. So secondly, they know they know the right market to trade. They know the right market to trade. So they know the right market to trade. Some of us, we don't have data concerning the market we are trading. Some of us, I see some students just jump into crypto, some will jump to stocks. Now we have people now trading futures. You need to have, before I go into any pair. Let me say, okay, before I trade gold, then I was transiting into pounds USD. Before I went into pounds USD, I make sure I backstated like at least 5 to 6 months of 1 month with my strategy on how it perform. So the pro traders understand how all this works. They understand the volatility, the liquidity, and all the sentiments related to it. There was one time I wanted trading US 30 and is it as 100, and I was telling one of my guy, and the guy was like, that was before when I was still a beginner. He was like, do I know how US 30 works? Do I know the companies that come together to make US 30? Do I know this? Do I know that this is purely a New York pair? This is when it moves. So those are one of the things the pro traders understand, and they leverage so much to treat trading like a business. And like every of these points will actually be related to each other. So these are the strategies what they use to make millions of dollars. So the third strategy they use is what they stick to their strategy. So the pro trader they stick to their strategy. I'm sure you are guilty of this. If you are watching this video, I'm sure you've watched how to trade double top today, you want to watch how to trade double bottom tomorrow, you want to watch SMC concept, you want to watch ICT, you want to watch price action, jumping from one pair or jumping from one strategy together. I know you are guilty of it. I know you are guilty of it. So you have to understand that you need to stick with your trading strategy. In order to achieve success, you need to stick to your trading strategy. You need to give your strategy time to play out. You need to stick to your trading strategy. Apart from that, you need to stick to a trading style. Most of the pro traders, the strategy they leverage is they leverage both most of them leverage one particular type of trading style, either the scalping, either the day trading, either the swing trading. So you need to leverage on one particular trading style. I made a video on differences between the day trading, scalping, and swing trading. So you can check what some of my videos that I've made, and you are going to see the videos I made on being a scalper, a day trader, and a swing trader. So like my mentor is Alex G, and he's a swing trader. You won't see him scalp. You will never see him scalp. He sticks to it. Those sticking to those edge and sticking to your trading plan is what will bring the success. I have people that I'll see online that they scalp very well. They don't cash more than 20 pips on gold. I have this Nigeria trader that I admire so much, Abi Forex, and most of his trades on gold are always 20 to 25 pips. He loves it, and he's leveraging on, and he's making much on it. So you have to understand that trading is all about sticking to your edge and your trading style. So you need to understand that those pro traders leverage it so much. And yes, the other one about things they leverage on that trading style is their risk to reward. They leverage risk to reward. Some of you don't even understand the risk to reward you are trading on. You don't even know the risk to reward you use. If you trade Profem, you see them, they'll write your average risk to reward. If you yourself can calculate it, risk to reward is actually what keeps you profitable, not even the pips you gain. So we have one of the good considerable risk to reward is 1:3, 1:2. So how does that risk to reward play in? It plays with your sample space. So let's say you are taking 10 trades, and if you are taking a risk to reward of 1:3 and your win rate is 50%, you can still be profitable, because in the first 5 trades you win, you have to have it 5 times 3. That's what. So let's take an example. Let's say 5 win and you have 5 loss. You get, then you're always losing 1%. That's why I say stick to your risk management. And this, anytime you win, you're always winning 3%. So 3% times 5, that's what? 15. This is what? This is 1 times 5. This is what? 5. You have what? 10%. You still have 10% gain. So you still have 10% gain if you follow a very balanced risk reward. Even if you are using 1:2, you still be profitable. So this trading style and sticking to this trading plan is what the pro traders use in order to make millions of dollars, and you can also start doing it. So one of the things they use again is they make sure they have a risk management and a capital growth strategy. Good risk management. I've even touched it in this previous thing. Risk management and capital growth strategy. So what they was good risk management and what capital growth management or capital growth strategy. So you need to understand, if you are trading prop firm, you need to know what you are risking on it. You know the maximum is it the maximum drawdown and then drawdown on all firms mostly is 10. An average of you see is 8. An average daily drawdown is 3. So you see some offering 4, you see some offering 5, but the average you see firms that offer 3. So you have to understand the amount. Like for me personally, if you are sure of your strategy, like me, I trade 2 pairs and the max loss per pair I can have in a day is just 1%. I can only lose 1% per day, and I on my pair, on any trade I don't reach more than 1%. That's on prop challenge, being funded, or on a challenge phase. And also in my live account, I personally, for me, I love taking this gently. I don't risk more than 2 to 5% or less days that I know I'm so excited and I feel like okay, throwing lots into it. So you have to stick towards a proper risk management. Those are what this particular thing again is one of the things the pro trader make use of. They have a risk management and capital growth strategy, and using stop loss and take profit correctly, they make sure their stop loss are always correct. They don't take a trade without defining the risk. Some of us need to learn how to take trades and define our risks correctly before executing our button. So in the last thing I'll be talking about today is I want you to choose to trade right, which is choose to treat trading like a business. You need to trade the right market with a backed data. It must be backed by data. You must trade something that you know that yes, if I'm trading London section in a week, can I have 1 or 2 wins and have, let's say, 1 loss? Can I at least have 2% gain or 3% or 1% increase? So you need to know monthly, what does this year offer? Does it offer up to 5% in a year? Does it offer up to 5% average every month? So they know what's the right market. So you need to find how you backtest your strategy. Then the third thing to trade like a pro is you need to stick to your strategy. You need to learn how to stick to your strategy and execute them and stick to your trading style. Don't scalp today and come and swing tomorrow and day trade next tomorrow. And the next one is good risk management and capital growth. You need to learn how to manage your capital and how you can scale up your capital. So these all you need to know on how the pro traders trade. If you have a mentor, ask him any of these points. He's going to tell you that yes, this is the secret they don't tell you. This is the secret pro traders don't share, and I'm sharing it for free. So if you have any comments, any question, kindly drop it in the comment box. I'll meet next time. Take